Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Actually, I saw news is based on the order that has been issued by the Deputy Collector to us. But before that order was issued, our campus response team had already decided based on the numbers that we had yesterday, 24th. And after that 24 positive cases, 8 more samples have been sent for testing. So reports are awaited of those 8. So we had already decided to continue our classes online, which were in offline mode, and cancel all the events and gatherings which were supposed to be held over here. So after receiving the order, the health authorities are already in the campus, and the primary contacts and secondary contacts sample testing is going on presently in the campus. So आता आमच्याकडे around 2,800 students असा campusan who are there since February, and students are still coming, reporting back to campus. So those are coming in batches. Individual isolation जाता ज्यांना येता त्यांना, आणि all students actually occupy individual rooms. So फक्त online classes जे चालू असलेले आहे, those also we have now converted into online mode. Out of 2,800 plus students, only 9 students are with single vaccination. Remaining all students are fully vaccinated. So आणि जितले बी आता केसेस मिळाल्या पॉझिटिव्ह, they are all mild symptoms.